You could build the smartest app in the world, but if your UI looks like crap, nobody's going to want to use it. Most creators don't even know this exists, but after this video, your UI will never look the same. Today, I'm going to show you how to take your vibe code project and instantly make it look 10 times better with one simple UI hack. Now, don't get me wrong. A lot of these vibe code platforms like Bolt, Lovable, etc. look pretty decent. Like the UI is not bad, but a lot of it is cookie cutter. And when you do multiple prompts, you'll notice that they look kind of similar. So what I'm going to do is show you something that I was a little hesitant to show you guys just because it's my secret sauce. And I think it's going to add a ton of value to your final products. And it's going to look top tier professional with a lot of these designs. But I'm going to show you guys today. I'm feeling generous. I think you guys are going to be just as stoked as I am after you see what you can do with this little UI hack. It's called 21st Dev. And basically, it's got all these components you can use, and it's powerful. Let me just show you. Some of this stuff is super interactive, unique, stuff that a typical prompt on an IDE is not going to give you. So it's got really cool UI on a ton of these different animation type components that just look at that. And you can easily add that to your project. So let me show you how to do that. Let's say we open the component and it's really, really simple. This company's partnered with a lot of these IDEs. So I'm already programmed to have a Bolt prompt, but if I click this, I can also switch to Cursor, Lovable, VO, Replit, and a few others. So I'm already with Bolt, so I'm going to hit copy prompt, and it's really that simple. I get the code, and then I can just go to my IDE, create a new project, and then I'm just going to paste that code in there and hit go. And the beautiful thing is it's going to install the right dependencies and everything else that's needed in order to properly create this animated design. But while that's loading, let me show you what else there is. We can have cool stuff like this light. And there's a ton of different components you can choose from. Look at these animations. Look at how beautiful some of these are. If you vibe coded like a website for a client or just for your own, it's going to look so much more professional, so much more unique. No one's going to be able to know you vibe coded it because a lot of these IDEs don't do this naturally. And you could just prompt the IDE after you've inserted it to have it even more custom to how you want it. Let's take a look at a couple more. Look at this. Look at these animations. It follows the cursor. And then this one's my favorite. I'm probably going to use this on my AI automation website, but you can have a robot just look at the cursor and look how interactive that is. Really powerful. I tested it. It worked right into Bolt. Pretty powerful stuff. Check this one out. If you wanted to create a audio where it's like recording and you have a little animation, really simple. You can also remix it with AI. So if you hit remix with AI, I believe it just kind of changes it up slightly and makes it a little bit more unique and will give you a new prompt that's remixed. Look at these powerful, like kind of card testimonials or images or whatever you want to do. Maybe like you have an about me section with all the employees or whatever it may be. Really, really cool designs and animations. And you can even search up something like, I want a timer, right? You hit search and you have some cool timers you can choose from. And you can even create your own component with AI just by prompting it. It's pretty powerful. So the stuff you can do, like, look at this. This is so cool. Check out this one. I mean, look at how professional this looks. Like, that is really, really neat. And I can go on for days. Look at all these really, really cool components. There's tons to choose from. And I haven't paid anything for it. So as far as I know, these are free. I know there is a payment pricing. And again, I'm not affiliated with this company at all, but they let me copy the code and paste it for free. So I haven't paid anything for these, but look at how awesome that is. If you had like a SaaS company and you had like a little card here displaying the pricing, some simple components. Oh, look at how cool this one is. What? It's like following the cursor, showing different photos. Maybe if you're a photographer, you're building a photography website, this would be epic. I really like that one. All right, let's go take a look at what we installed in Bolt. Look at this. This is neat. That's so freaking cool. I am geeking out over here. Oh, it even goes out here. For some reason, I love the interactive follow the cursor type animations. Like, to me, it screams high quality. I want to spend money on this website. And let's try to change some colors. I mean, we can change this font, make it whatever we want, change the colors, the background color. So let's try it. All right, change fluid cursor to subscribe to Zach Babiarz YouTube. That's me, if you didn't know that. Boom, there you have it. Subscribe to Zach Babiarz YouTube channel. So you can literally go into 21st Dev, grab any component, copy, paste it right into the chat command box. Boom, you can customize it with another prompt, change the words, change the colors, make it your own, make it epic. This is mind-blowing. This is a game changer. If you're not doing this, you should. I am giving you all my secret sauce, but I love you guys. I want to see you guys create some really, really cool shit. So if you like it, comment, subscribe, leave a comment below saying this is sweet, make more content like this. Let me know. I'm new here. I'm trying to help people create some really cool stuff with vibe coding, and I want to see you guys win. So with that, I will catch you in the next video.